Well, ethics standards are a hot topic on Capitol Hill, and not just for members of Congress. Some lawmakers are wondering why Supreme Court justices don't have ethics guidelines, including recusals. A group of Democrats are pushing legislation to force the justices to adopt a code of conduct. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales has that story.
This latest effort is taking place after reports surface of text messages between Justice Clarence Thomas's wife and former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows that involve efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election. Democrats say that justices need ethics standards just like any other courts and Congress.
The Supreme Court shouldn't be given some special pass because it is the highest court. In fact, it should have a code of ethics precisely because it is the highest court.
They have no code of ethics. And it's the Supreme Court of the United States. They're making judgments about the air we breathe and everything else, and we don't even know what their ethical standard is.
Some Democrats are sponsoring a bill requiring clear, enforceable standards for justices to recuse themselves from hearing cases when they have a financial or personal stake in the outcome.
A Supreme Court justice is now not required to address why he or she doesn't think he or she needs to recuse. And if a party thinks that they really ought to have recused, they have no recourse.
Republicans call it a power grab.
Each of the 9 justices should feel free to make every single judicial decision they make with total independence and complete freedom. What cases they hear, how they hear them, how they rule, whether and when they recuse themselves.
Another bill would require justices to report all trips.
This involves lodging and travel and meals and entertainment. The American people have a right to know this. And so this is about transparency.
Democrats tell me from 2011 to 2014, all 9 justices took a total of more than 265 trips, completely paid for by outside special interest groups. Both bills face uphill battles in the Senate due to Republican opposition. At the Capitol, Eric Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.